Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be tackling the bathroom. I'm doing a complete deep clean. I'm doing the walls and stuff. Recently changed up the toilet bowl, and the previous toilet bowl was bigger than that, so I left a little space in the grout I was showing you earlier. I'm going to get that closed up, and it is amazing how small changes can really transform a space. I'm going to be hanging these gels I got from Amazon, and everything that I'll be using in the bathroom today for this makeover is from Amazon or Walmart. So guys, I was trying to find the stud in the wall and it was not working out for me, so I had to have my husband install them for me. So I inserted that clip, so he installed all these hardwares and the shelves in the bathroom, and then I just cleaned it. So this is the following day. So guys, before I get started, I just want to clear everything out, and because I'm going to be wiping the walls and everything down, and I'm only using like maybe 4 different products today. So this is awesome, and this thing worked wonders, especially on the shower curtain rada bar, whatever the thing is called. It works wonders. Like, it was rusting up there from, I guess, moisture, I don't know what, and this thing did a fantastic job getting the rust off. So as the hardware and the floating shelves I got off Amazon, I'm gonna link them in the description box just in case you guys were wondering, are interested in them. I mean, they're so versatile, they can use in so many spaces in the home, and it's really simple and easy to install.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
bars and the soap dispenser along with the toothbrush holder. I picked these up from Walmart. The shower curtain is also from Walmart, and the bath mat is from Walmart.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So guys, this faux flower I got off Amazon, and the candle is from Walmart. Watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a like and a comment, and I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day, y'all, and a blessed week. This is not fit complete. I want a sign or something to go in there, but for now I am satisfied and I'm pleased with the transformation. Thank you all for watching. Love y'all. Hi lovies, so real quick before I go any further, I just want to take a minute to introduce you guys to this perfect eyebrow set. It only takes 5 seconds, or less. As you guys know, I have really thin eyebrow. Yes, I'm due for eyebrow wax. I missed my last appointment, but we're gonna try and see if this can help me out. It's a ultimate brow set. It has the tensors, the pomade, the sponge brush, dual-ended spoolie, and angled brow brush, and it's enclosed in a ziplocker bag, so it's perfect for your makeup kit or jar. Now guys, I have a coupon code. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. You can go ahead and check them out and use my discount code Live with Terisha for 15% off. Now let's see what miracles this can work with my eyebrows. Real quick. Oh, let's go. So this is how it comes, and this is so cute. And these are all the things that comes with it. So you have the brush and the thing tied on. I think this is the powder. Oh, sure. I think this is the powder. And it comes with the little instructions, with the steps that show you how to use it, which is perfect for me because you all know I'm not an eyebrow fan. And these, so you match this with the shape of your eyebrow. And so let's jump into it. Guys, this eyebrow kit from Imethod Beauty is the absolute best, and it is the truth. Like, if I can do it, anyone can do it. Like, for real. What a transformation. Wow, what a transformation, guys. So this is the brow with the tensors, and this is the one without it. I am shocked. Now what? Oh, this is my eczema, guys. I have eczema, so this is a piece of it trapped in my thing. But wow, I am so amazed. I am loving it. Close to my face, but wow, just wow. And as you can see, my eyebrows aren't even shaved or perfectly aligned. Now I am loving this. Remember to click the link in my description box and use my code for 15% off. You definitely won't regret it, guys. All right, thank y'all. Love y'all.